We've been appreciating the great looks of Volkswagen's CC substitution, the Arteon, for almost a year now from a far distance, that is. Yet, now VW has at long last reported US showcase data for the 2019 Arteon, and it doesn't seem, by all accounts, to be at all impaired contrasted with the Europe advertised variant that has been marked down for some time now. Like the European Arteon we drove a year ago, all US autos will come standard with a rendition of VW's 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-chamber motor that puts out 268 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. Its self-discipline the front wheels is standard through an 8-speed program transmission. The 6-speed manual once offered on the CC is no more, and the 4-motion all-wheel drive will be discretionary on each of the 3 trim levels, SE, SEL, and SEL Premium. Since the Arteon is planned to sit in a more upmarket section than the plebeian Passat, its rundown of standard highlights is liberal. The SE accompanies a versatile damping framework, near-no-scratch section, 3-zone programmed atmosphere control, forward impact cautioning and self-sufficient crisis braking, blind side observing, and a 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Venturing through the SEL and SEL Premium trims includes gear, for example, an advanced instrument group, an all-encompassing sunroof, a power liftgate. Yes, the Arteon is a hatchback, and other dynamic security highlights including versatile journey control and path takeoff cautioning. Standard wheels are 18 inches while 19 inches are discretionary, probably on the SEL Premium. We won't know official estimating until the point when nearer to the 2019 Arteon's on special date in the second from last quarter of 2018. However, VW said to expect a beginning value someplace close to the cost of a completely stacked fair-size vehicle. That implies it should get around where the Passat best out, in the $34,000 $35,000 territory, with a stacked Arteon SEL Premium likely picking the $40,000 stamp.